Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Discord voice chat, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Discord application or website. Log into your account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, navigate to the server where you want to use voice chat. Look at the left sidebar and find the voice channel you'd like to join. Click on the voice channel to enter it. You should now see a connection icon indicating you are connected to voice chat. Make sure your microphone and speakers are set up correctly. If you need to adjust your audio settings, click on the gear icon near your username. Select the voice and video option from the settings menu. Here, you can test your microphone and speakers to ensure they're working. If you encounter any issues, check your input and output device settings. Once everything is set up, you can start speaking in the voice channel. Your friends or server members will hear you once you begin talking. To mute or unmute yourself, simply click on the microphone icon at the bottom left. If you want to leave the voice channel, click on the disconnect icon. That's it. You're now ready to use Discord voice chat effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.